This is what we're about to do.
What?
About to go whitewater rafting. We almost there.
Oh, yay.
All right, we have made it to the whitewater rafting, and we're about to go do it. We got to get ready to go up under the tent, but everybody is changing their clothes. And Naya, Keon, Jason, Jamal, and Keldon in the inside. We got our vest on. Now we're gonna watch a video. Then we're gonna hit the bus. Now we're loading up on the bus. We got our paddles. We're getting on the bus.
He said he trying to crack on you. He said you always fit.
Hi.
I gotta walk around there. I can't get through those.
Oh!
You said go around. Alright, you can come on up. And I'm gonna have y'all sit on the right and skip this seat behind you. This right down. Would y'all sit? Yeah.
On the bus.
Alrighty, y'all. This is Clayton, our bus driver. Everyone say, hey, Clayton.
Hey, Clayton.
He's going to be the most important person in our lives throughout the next 15 minutes or so.
Now we're taking a bus ride. All right, so we've made it here. They're taking off the.
He's a bear.
They're taking the. Naya wants me to get up here. Okay, getting them out.
That's cinematography right there.
Oh, yeah, that's sunbeam.
Woo! And the bright sun. Are we ready? Are we ready?
No.
Are we ready?
No.
Maybe not.
Are we ready? Yes.
And coming out of Lake Nantahala, the intake speed for this water is 150 feet down. So this water hasn't seen sunlight for a few days. It's really cold, y'all. Let's go forward just one time. Everyone stick their hand in the water and feel that.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh.
The biggest raft that we're going to be doing today is coming up down here. It's called Patton's Run. It is a class 3.
Oh my
I'm
good.
so nervous, bro. Let me tell y'all a story about the first guy that first ran. His name was John Patton. He was a military vet, and he only had one arm. He ran in a canoe.
Oh man.
So it's six of us, we got all our arms and legs, and we're in a raft. I think it'll be okay.
I'm a little nervous.
Let's go forward 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
We're going to try to hug this inside corner up here and stay to the right. If we're having to kind of duck some tree limbs, that's where we want to be.
Okay.
Go forward 1 time.
1.
Oh.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Oh.
Get a little paddle high five. Everyone hold their paddles up and in the middle.
Woo! Woo.
A lot of the trees hanging out over the river are sycamore trees. You can tell that it's a sycamore tree. You look towards the top of it, and you see how the bark is kind of hewing off. So this one right here, you kind of see the white underskin of the tree hewing off. There's a tree gets hit by sun all the time. The bark comes off. They're able to grow along there. They're one of the most common trees overhanging the river because they have really strong root systems that can hold onto the rocks and shores. I got a leaf. I think there might actually be a leaf to a sycamore tree that they did. Yeah. There's a little couple islands coming up here called Mystic Land. You can rent this wedding venue or anything you want it to be, really, I guess, if you're paying the money. But I've seen a few weddings there, and I've got a couple of friends who just got engaged with those raft guys, and they're thinking about having their ceremony on the island, and the wedding party was like wrapped up to the island. We don't have anything cooking gas, but we got a lot of them out there. Oh, he's not going to put my head in the water.
Look at that. Ooh-wee. You see it, Keon?
Alrighty, y'all, let's go forward 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Woo! 4. Oh! All right, we're gonna do a rock spin. 1, 2, lean in. Oh! Okay, get up. 2, 1, 2. I can't. Now you just have to make sure she got him.
About a year ago, last Labor Day, we had some landslides in the gorge. Look to the right here. You see a little waterfall?
Oh.
Covered over with rocks and dirt.
Trying to go.
Come up down here is the double rock spin of the Nantahala River. Got any idea about that one?
Yeah.
Remember, when I say kind of forward, and when I say lean in, lean north in, so we turn the left corner.
Lean this way, right? That?
Like this one? So forward 2.
1, 2.
Oh, I catched it.
Forward 2.
1, 2. 1. Lean in. Woo. Woo.
Down here is a rabbit called Thread the Needle. Let's hope you have good aim, y'all.
Uh-oh. What does that mean? One. Oh, I gotta get the camera on.
And 2 more. Go forward 1.
Oh, we get ready to hit a rock. Wait a minute, I didn't even hit the 2. Whoa! 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 Oh, all on me. Good. I'm trying to block. I don't want to be soaked. Fish me out the water. What? My feet is tucked up under this thing. Oh yeah, it do.
Look like that.
Oh, it's gonna stop me. I will fall in this water, in this boat. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
They want to go for a swim?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Here it's deep enough. You can leave your paddles and you can just kind of fall into the river.
No.
You can hold on, then I'll pull you back in. Can I go?
No.
Come on.
Oh, go,
You gotta stand up. All right. It's cold. 3, 1, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Oh. Oh my God. Okay, I got it. Woo. 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 1, 2. Oh, I missed all it. Woo. Woo, it's cold. Oh, boom. Oh, boom. Keon, your feet up under there? Oh, 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 oh. 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 Oh, Keon. Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. 1. Oh my God. Oh, Jason. Oh. Keon, I think we picked the bad sides. We picked the wet side. It's okay. You look cute.
Keon got absolutely smashed.
You look cute. Say what's up, guys.
Oh. I want to be in front.
Well, I asked you to get in the front.
Keon, you want to trade?
No.
How many you want to trade?
No.
2, 1. Whoa.
Oh.
I got you.
Oh. Oh.
One more.
Oh. Oh, he said one more? Oh, I missed it. Oh. Oh.
I'm going out to my favorite fishing spot. Only a few times I've been fishing.
Nah, yeah. Killed it.
Spinners. Yo, really? Hey, what's up? Yeah, that was horrible.
It was. No! They're trying to set me up. What? Oh my gosh!
That felt good.
All I got was water coming on the camera.
I thought y'all was
This is what they just did to me. Oh, they barely got it, yeah.
Ooh, I want to get ready.
Whew.
This is another good little float spot if anybody wants to go take a look at it. I want to
No,
I
Keon.
got a little man up there. You want to get in?
Okay.
Come up there and you can get in and I'll pull you back in.
All right. Let me.
Right, so when you get in, just hold on to this.
Uh-oh. Take
Go for
this.
it. You got it, little man. Is it cold? Can you show me that whitewater swimmer's position? You can get your nose and swing your legs out over here. Just hold on with one hand.
Oh, I can't see.
Yeah, put those feet up for me. Nicely done. Perfectly executed whitewater swimmer's position.
You fall over.
You want to go through this rapid, right? No. You ready to come back in?
Woo!
Let's go.
Oh, Keon, you ready? Oh gosh, that's cold. Oh, oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. This person crazy. That's her. Okay, so we have finished. We are on our way to the gift shop. We bought some pictures already. And now we're gonna go to the gift shop and see if I can't find a magnet. We survived the whitewater rafting. It was very fun. The last rapid was a category 3, so maybe next time we'll come back and do a 2. But yeah, we had fun. I'm hungry. It was very fun.